there was other side of the coin too. The orthodox Hindus could not have sat and watched all this. They felt that this was a threat on their existence. So they started with new associations to attack the non-Brahmin movements and to bring about the revival of the caste sanctity in India. The few of them were the Sanatan Dharma Sabha, the Bharat Dharma Mahamandal and the Brahmin Sabha in Bengal, which laid stress on the caste sanctity, caste distinction and caste sanctity in India. There were other movements and other people also who tried to bring about the change, and few of them are the Brahmo Samaj founded in 1830. We have Direzio who started with the Young Bengal movement in Bengal to bring about greater education to greater number of people. Ramakrishna mission started by Vivekananda in the memory of his guru also tried to bring about equality, justice and good life to the women. Then we have also the Veda Samaj and the Prarthana Samaj who also had the same cause. Then we have the Aligarh movement started by the Muslims, by which they started with the Aligarh Muslim University, which was first of all just a Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental college, which later on became the Aligarh University, which laid stress on the education for the Muslims in order to get about equality in the society. Then we have the Singh Sabha movements, which wanted to reform the Sikh society of all the corruption which had invaded in their societies. So that was all about the problems of women, about the problems of society in India and the reformers, whether from the high caste or the low caste or the women themselves, who tried to bring about change in the Indian society. A lot of effort has been made and lot of change has come about, but still there is a long way to go when all of us can be considered equal and one. That was all about your chapter. Thank you.